The most common way to embed TikTok videos on your site is by using Blockquotes. While this is a useful tool, there are some downsides to this method. Your TikTok videos will have the official TikTok branding, making it clash with your site design. It can also be overwhelming to embed lots of videos going back and forth between two sites. And if you have any issues inserting quotes, you won't have a support team to help you out either. That's why in this video, I'll show you an even better way to embed TikTok videos on your site. This is by using the Smashballoon TikTok Feeds Pro plugin. It lets you embed fast and responsive TikTok feeds in just minutes with no coding needed. I'll be demonstrating using the Pro version of the plugin, but you can check out the free version with less features through the WordPress repository. To get started, head over to smashballoon.com and purchase TikTok Feeds Pro. Once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download TikTok Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now inside your dashboard, on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Then, at the top, click Upload Plugin, upload the zip file for TikTok Feeds Pro, click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. And there we go, TikTok Feeds Pro has now been installed and activated. To get started, on the left-hand side, you'll now notice TikTok Feeds. Click on that, and over here beside License Key, you can paste the license key from your Smashballoon account, like this, then click Activate. Now our license key has been activated, we can begin creating our TikTok feed. To do that, click on Add New, and for the first step, we'll have to connect our TikTok account with the plugin. You can go ahead and click on Add Source, then you can click on Connect with TikTok. This will take you to TikTok, and if you're already logged in, you should see the account you're logged into over here. And if that's the account you want to display, you can continue by clicking the button below. Alternatively, if you want to switch accounts, just click Switch Accounts and log into the one you want to display inside your feed. For this video, we're good to go, so we can click on Continue. Next, you'll get this prompt here asking you to confirm if this is your domain. You can click on Yes, it's my domain, and back inside the plugin, you should now see your TikTok account connected as a source. So we can select it, then click Next. And just like that, we have a live preview of our brand new TikTok feed inside the plugin. The feed is displaying the latest TikTok videos from the account we connected as a source, which is Green Grove Eatery, and it features the account details at the top, including the profile picture, account username, bio, and more. And inside each video inside the feed, you can see the number of views, number of likes, and a caption preview underneath. This TikTok feed is now ready to be embedded inside our WordPress webpage, but before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize this feed. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, if you go into Layout, you can see all the different layout options available inside the plugin. You can see currently that we have the grid layout selected. This one displays your TikTok videos in rows and columns. Next, we have the list layout, and this one shows you TikTok videos in a single column list. After that, we have the masonry layout. This one shows you TikToks in rows and columns once again, with the captions in a full size. After that, we have a carousel layout. This is my personal favorite, and this one allows you to swipe through the videos inside your TikTok feed like this. For this demonstration, we're going to continue with the grid layout, and if you scroll down, you can also choose how many posts you want to display inside your feed. At the moment, we have 10 posts, which you can see inside the live preview. But if you want to modify that, just enter the number of posts you want to display. So I'm going to customize this to display 9 posts. So if I modify that, you can see instantly that we now have 9 posts instead of 10. And similarly, you can also adjust the number of columns inside your feed. Currently, we're displaying 3 columns inside the desktop version of the feed, but if you want to modify that, just enter the number of columns you want to display. For example, let's go with 2 columns. Once again, you can see that change made instantly inside the live preview. We now have 2 columns instead of 3. I'm going to change that back to 3, and if you're happy with the layout of your TikTok feed, click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify the videos inside your TikTok feed, under the Customize tab, click on TikToks. Then, if you go into Edit Individual Elements, you can see the different elements inside each TikTok video, such as the video thumbnail, play icon, views, likes, and caption. Each of these can be customized inside your TikTok feed. For example, if you want to enable the author info, you can select it like this, and the author info for each video will be displayed inside your TikTok feed like this. Or we can go ahead and hide it, and you can do the same thing with a video thumbnail. For example, if you wanted to hide the thumbnail, just deselect it like this, and your thumbnail would then be hidden. I'm going to bring that back, and if you make any changes, don't forget to click Save on the top right corner. We know you want control over what TikTok videos you want to display, so let's take a look at the moderation features inside TikTok Feeds Pro. First, go into the Settings tab, and go into the Sorts menu. Inside this menu, you can choose how your TikTok videos are sorted inside your feed. Currently, it's set to Recent first, so it will show your latest TikTok videos at the start of your feed. Alternatively, you can go with the Oldest first, Most Viewed first, and the Most Likes first. Outside of that, you can also choose to randomize the videos inside your feed, so your site visitors can be greeted with fresh TikTok content every time they visit your site. But for now, let's go back into the Settings tab and click on Filters. Here, you can add words as filters, so that your TikTok feed only shows or hides videos containing those words. This can be really useful if you want to hide certain videos or display videos containing a certain product or service. And if you've added any filters, you can click Save on the top right corner. And now that you know how to create and customize your TikTok feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside your WordPress webpage. To embed it, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to embed your feed to, then click Add. And here we are inside our WordPress webpage, and to embed our TikTok feed, we'll first have to add a shortcode block. Just search for shortcode, and that's this one here. Once added, we can paste our shortcode that we copied earlier, like this, and then publish the page, and go check it out on the live WordPress webpage. And here we are now on our live WordPress website, and right in the middle is our brand new TikTok feed. It's displaying the latest TikTok videos from the account we connected as a source, which is Green Grove Eatery, and each video features the thumbnail, number of views, likes, caption, and if a site visitor clicks on the video, that video will automatically start playing inside your feed like this. And what's cool about this is the video will also loop just like on TikTok, so your site visitors can keep watching over and over again. If you scroll down to the bottom of the feed, you'll find a button that says Load More. If you click on that, it will load additional videos inside your TikTok feed directly on your WordPress website. At the top, you would have also noticed the Follow on TikTok button. If anyone clicks on that, that will take them directly to your TikTok page, making it really easy for your site visitors to go follow you on TikTok. And that's all there is to it. This is how you can embed a fast and responsive TikTok feed with no coding needed and in just a few easy steps. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like. And if you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you experience any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn about social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.